So the tooth fairy is an interesting dilemma. Right when they're losing teeth, they're supremely gullible. So here's what we did. They lose their tooth and say, Mommy, Daddy, what should I do with our tooth? Here's what we did. We said, we heard that if you put it under your pillow, a tooth fairy comes and swaps it out with money. We heard this. We're not sure though. Next morning, there's money there. They said, look, Mommy, Daddy, the tooth fairy came. I said, okay, but how do you know it was a tooth fairy? They said, oh. Then at school, they organized a tooth fairy experiment. Someone had the idea that maybe it was the parents who were the tooth fairy. Oh, okay, so how do you test that? Anybody whose tooth came out in school, you do not tell your parents about it. You then put that tooth under your pillow and see what happens. And so the next kids whose tooth came out of it, they did this, and the next morning it was still a tooth. And so they busted the tooth fairy.